to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm base box for September 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. So glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. And if you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. It really does help. So today we're going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm base box for September 2020. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box that costs $25 a month, and you receive 5 full-size beauty items with an average value of $175. You might receive makeup, skincare, beauty tools, some combination of those. BoxyCharm subscribers also have 2 options for upgrades. You can choose to add Boxy Premium to your subscription, in which case you would get a second box for $35 a month, and you get 6 to 7 full-size beauty items with an average value of $215. And also you have the option to once a quarter upgrade to Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly upgrade, so you would receive Boxy Luxe in place of your base box, and instead of $25 that month, you'd be billed $49.99 for that month only. You receive 8 or more beauty and lifestyle items with an average value of $395. I do upgrade to Luxe. In fact, I'm still waiting for my Luxe box this month, but in order to make sure I do receive the base box as well, I actually have a second subscription. That's the only way to get the base and Luxe box in the same month. So I do have the premium as well as the Luxe and a second subscription that is just the base. So let's open the box, and the red tells us it's the base box, and the first thing we see is a card that gives us our theme, and our theme this month is Glam Vibes Only. And on the card it does give you information about the products you're going to receive, as well as down in the corner your variation number. And I have variation number 46, and for those who are interested or maybe still be waiting for their boxes like I was, mine was 1.2 pounds, so if you've got a 1.2 pound box coming, it could be this one. Now I just added the second base box this month, so I did not choose an item, BoxyCharm chose for me, so the entire box was a surprise. So let's take a look and see what we got in the box. And the first item is from FARMACY, and this was one of the choice items, but as I said, I didn't choose, so they chose for me. I'm actually quite pleased that this is the one they chose, and it is the FARMACY Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with acerola cherry. And this is a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. It is a clean, fragrance-free formula, so even though it is cherry, it apparently is fragrance-free, so that's a big plus for people who have issues with fragrance, and quite frankly, even those who don't, you may not want your eyes smelling like cherry. I don't think I would. Anyway, this potent formula visibly firms and smooths the look of fine lines with 4% vitamin C, natural peptides and caffeine, hyaluronic acid, and 3 types of vitamin C, including acerola cherry, rejuvenate the eye contour and help reduce the appearance of dark circles. It sinks into the skin quickly and doesn't pill under makeup. That's huge. That can be a really big problem with other products, so I'm very interested to try that out. This is a full size, 15 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounces, and it retails for $45. As I said, this box is a $25 a month box, so this one product is already paid for the box, so even if I'm not crazy about the rest of it, I'm still okay. Okay, and our second item is from ALAMAR Cosmetics, and it is the Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. And they say that this is perfect for day and night and has 8 shades. I'm actually quite pleased with this because there are a number of palettes you could possibly have gotten this month, and I have already gotten the Queen palette in my premium box, and I have no idea what's coming in my Boxy Luxe, but it's nice to get a different one here, even though I'm putting the Queen palette in a giveaway because it really wasn't for me. But as I said, this has 8 shades. They say there are 4 shimmers that are just like you, multidimensional and unique, dripping in fine glitters and reflective pearls. And you ground your look with 4 easy to blend ultra long wearing mattes. And that's actually, it's quite pretty. There are a lot of warmer shades that I tend not to wear, but these purples are gorgeous. Oh, I don't know. There is also a mirror here, just so that you're, you know, I've just got to fold it back so it doesn't glare up on you. Ooh, those 2 purples are calling to me, but the rest of it just probably wouldn't get used, although this one is really gorgeous too. But this is probably going to go in a giveaway because I wouldn't use enough of it to make it worthwhile. And if I just want the purples, I should probably just get some purples, or we'll see what else I get this month. So this will, yeah, this one's going to probably go in a giveaway. Retails for $28. Again, $25 box. We've got 2 items that are already over $25. So far, so good. Next, from Phase Zero Makeup, this is a blush and bronzer trio. And you say this highly pigmented ultralight trio combines 3 finely milled powders that blend seamlessly over the cheeks. Powders glide effortlessly onto skin, blend easily for long-lasting results, and for a high-defined, illuminated, flawless complexion. They say that these colors are suited to all skin tones. You can wear them alone or swirl them together to create a buildable and customizable cheek color. I'll pull the plastic off just for a second. And again, there are 3 shades. There is a mirror there, but I'm going to fold that down so it doesn't glare at you. And the 3 shades are the matte blush on this side is Heartthrob. The middle is a shimmer blush called Making Moves. And the bronze on the end is called Hidden Agenda. And this retails for $42. Unfortunately, these shades are quite deep for me, and they're also a little warm. And I know they say it's suitable for all skin tones, but they weren't planning on poached chicken breast here, so unfortunately, or fortunately for you perhaps, this $42 blush and bronzer trio will be going in a giveaway as well. But that's our 3rd item that is over the price of the box, so can't complain even if they're not quite my shade. So, okay, our 4th product is from Laura Geller, and it is the LashBOSS Bold Mascara. It says, give your lashes a dramatic and sensuous look with a soft and conditioned feel. The unique wavy structure of the brush fibers delivers an incredible volume and definition without clumping. Formulated with wide lash and carob tree seed extract to help re-densify lashes, prevent fallout, and keep lashes soft and conditioned. It is vegan formula and it is paraben free. It is in black. I believe it only comes in black. I could be wrong about that, but I think it only comes in black. And this retails for $24. I've never tried Laura Geller mascara. If you have, let me know down in the comments what you think of it. But you know, I'm always up for another mascara. You know, I've been looking for the Holy Grail for a long time. I've got 2 that are pretty good, but we'll see. Although the one I used today, I was pretty happy with too. So, on to our next and last item, which is from SFGLOW, and this is the Glam in Paradise Cannabis Mask Set. I say get into a state of bliss with cannabis. This collection of gold foil leopard pattern sheet masks are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil that deeply hydrates, instantly calms, and de-stresses skin, leaving it comfortably chill. They say it's made for total skin satisfaction with Insta-worthy selfies. And this is a bundle that includes 3. There is the Glam Straight, which is a full face mask, 1 set of eye masks called I Woke Up Like This, and a lip mask called Suns Out, Pouts Out. And this set retails for $18. So that's it for the September 2020 base box. Let's take a quick rundown as I put them back in the box. From FARMACY, the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. From ALAMAR Cosmetics, the Spanglish Pressed Pigment Palette. From Phase Zero, the Blush and Bronzer Trio. From Laura Geller, the LashBOSS Bold Mascara. And from SFGLOW, the Glam in Paradise Cannabis Mask Set. So if you've been around my channel before, you know what's coming next. We're going to talk about the value. The BoxyCharm base box is advertised to have an average value of $175. The total retail value of the products I received in my box this month was $157. That's close enough. Again, it is an average value of $175, not a guaranteed one. I think $157 is close enough. And again, it's a $25 box. So $157 value for $25, really can't be mad at that. So let me know down below what you got in your box if you subscribe, or what you think of what I got. And if you've tried any of these products, let me know. I'd love to hear what you thought about them. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button before you leave. It really does help the channel, helps get the video into the YouTube algorithm so other people can find it. While you're down there, if you haven't done it already, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel so we can hang out again another time. Please also follow me on Instagram. My info is down in the description box. Thank you so much for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself and to others, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.